What is up, everyone? My name is Emonee LaRussa. I am a motion graphics artist and director. So I predominantly worked in the music industry before pursuing digital collectibles or NFTs full-time. So today we are going to go over some points that I think aren't talked about enough in the digital art community. To start off, I want to tell you about my own personal experience. So I've been doing motion graphics since 2013, and I've been made to believe that the only way that I was going to make an income from my art was by working for a studio or freelancing for clients. And this has always felt kind of weird to me because even though I'm in the art world, I would never be able to sell my art like a traditional artist can because it's digital art. And at the time, there was no technology that gave the ability for people to purchase digital assets online. Not when you have the option to right-click and save. In 2017, I did an art show where I was the only digital artist amongst 10 different traditional artists, and I was the only one there who didn't make money from the art show. Everyone was selling their art there, and here I was handing out business cards in hopes to get potentially paid clients and Instagram followers. So fast forward to 2021, and I hear about this thing called NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and I really didn't understand that first, but it's because I really didn't understand the technology and how that worked. But after a little bit of research, I had learned that now there is a way to authenticate a purchase of a digital asset online, which is amazing for digital artists. Like, this is such a huge opportunity for digital artists. For the first time, we are now able to monetize our work to sell it online. And it makes sense why now people want to buy digital assets. Digital art has consumed most of our daily media, whether it's through social media content, commercials, ads, videos, games. I mean, the list goes on. And now digital artists are becoming influencers, and they're growing their fan base, and they're becoming more recognized. And this is amazing because more and more people are seeing the value, the true value of digital artists, and there is a growing desire to want to purchase their work as a collectible. Imagine your favorite digital artist, and now you get to own a piece of their work. Not only do you get to own a part of their work, but you get to support that artist. A lot of times, amazingly talented artists are just bogged down by their client work to pay bills. And by the time they're available to do a passion project, they are burnt out. This type of support, I believe, gives artists more freedom. Also, this opportunity with this technology can be used as a tool to connect better with digital artists' fan base through utility. So utility is providing an extension of things outside of its original purchase. So like, for example, I've seen some NFT purchases provide special VIP access as a form of utility. So imagine if you could say for every person who collects your art piece, they'll receive exclusive content or one-on-one sessions of how it was created, but only for the people who purchased it. It's amazing utility. I mean, you could really get creative with what you can do with the idea of utilities to build a stronger fan base and just a stronger brand. And with that, you get to create passion projects and your supporters get closer to your craft. So recently there have been more conversations about open editions or small editions, which is basically providing multiple copies of one piece of work, but at a lower cost. But I think that provides more opportunities for utility to come into play. Now, I know that there's a lot of stigmas when it comes to NFTs because for a while, it was fed to the mass of being like a get-rich-quick idea where people would take a digital illustration of adjective and animal, and they were told to try to flip that for millions of dollars. And not only did it completely disappoint a lot of people because they didn't get what they expected in return, but it also allowed a lot of people to take advantage of this hype, which led a lot of people feeling suspicious and uneasy about this. But I really want to change the narrative and focus on how we could use this technology to change the lives of digital artists. From personal experience, this space has absolutely changed my life, and I've been able to use digital collectibles and sell them to raise money for my nonprofit Jumpstart Designers, where our mission is to provide computers and digital art programs to kids in underserved communities. And our hope is to be able to provide this opportunity to the younger generation who can start to build generational wealth within their own families. And with all of this being said about the success of it, I want to be fully transparent that this is a full-time job. Like, I don't want to feed you this idea like you could just quit your job today and just do NFTs, because this takes a lot of time and work, especially in the community. Everything great in life comes with a cost, and that cost is your time and energy. So it's going to be extremely important to invest your time into the space, making sure to stay in tune with the market and seeing what works in the space. Learn from successful artists in this space and build from that. Join the space expecting to work. That being said, I hope you grabbed something from this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to School of Motion's channel to learn more, or you could head to schoolofmotion.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon.